We have a tractor trailer truck seat here that the customer just wants us to repair it. We got to fix the foam, and we are going to take the vinyl and put it to cloth. A lot of times the vinyl gets really hot, especially this truck is down in Texas all the time. So the hot sun really beats on it, and then it gets very hot, and then you get sweaty. The cloth is actually a nice upgrade for comfort. Cleanliness wise, it's really not that great because it's easier to clean the vinyl. Now this is a good example to kind of show some of the other work we do. I know we usually only showcase like the higher end motorcycles and custom cars. We do a lot of everyday vehicles. We do a lot of truck seats, tractor seats, and this is kind of a prime example of what you'll see in an average day. So we took this seat, repaired the foam, we put the cloth cover on it to reduce the heat for the driver, and also it's a little bit more comfortable for him. Like I said, he's down in Texas, so it's really hot. Get a lot of sun on that vinyl and you get a lot of sweat and a lot of heat. So this is kind of a nice everyday, just plain old seat.